guys, it's Frae. Um, since it's such a nice day outside, I'm out on the porch. You can see neighborhood. And I'm out here drawing like I normally do. You can see I got my sketchbook and can you see it? Nope, that's my feet. You don't want to see that shit. Let's see. That's not my sketchbook. Where the hell is everything? There we go. Sketchbook and my guitar and all that other wonderful stuff. Some apple juice, stuff like that. But I'm out here drawing because it's such a nice day. I want to talk about starving artists. Now, a lot of my friends, they seem to have difficulty making money as an artist. And I still struggle myself. I'm not even going to act like I'm like this rich artist or whatnot. But I've also noticed that there have been some tools that people they either don't know about or they decided for whatever reason not to use these tools to help them get paid for their artwork. So I'm just gonna go down actually two of them that are really good for artists to use. The first one I'm gonna say is Patreon. Patreon is basically a site where it's set up like a crowdfunding, but it's more of a monthly basis. So what happens if people become your Patreon and they donate however much money they want in order for you to upload your work. So say if you do comics, videos, etc., you can set it up where the person who's your Patreon pays $1 a month, $3 a month, $5 a month, however much they want. But it's a monthly payment to your favorite artists. And we're gonna let that car go by. Okay. So yeah, you pay monthly, whatever fee, until you stop becoming that person's Patreon. And there's another car. Where's that car? Oh, they're parking next door. So you can use that. In fact, if you want to be really nice, you can donate to my Patreon, and you actually get a lot of bonuses with that. You get exclusive artwork, access to my comic pages a week prior before I release them, access to videos a week prior, and pretty soon I'll be making exclusive videos just for Patreon members. So I'll leave the link to my Patreon in my description box, so check that out. Throw me $1. That really helps. Just $1. So that's that one. It's really really good. But if you're having trouble getting people to give to your Patreon, there's this site called Sue.co. It's TSU.co. And it's kind of set up like Facebook, where you share your stuff and you post and like and do all that blah blah. But the difference is you get ad revenue money for your original content that you share. So all your artwork and everything that you upload, your videos and such, you get paid based on ad revenue money that you pull to your page. So you get paid based off, and what they do is they keep 10% for the site to keep it running and whatnot. Car coming through. This is the problem with recording outside. They pay you for. They keep 10% of the money. 45% goes to you, and then the cool thing is 45% goes to your network. So the people you invite and sign up under you, they become your children, and it's kind of like a pyramid thing where the money trickles down. So say if you post something and it brings in $1 total for the ad revenue. You get 50 cents. The person under you that you brought in gets 25 cents. Motherfucking cars. The person under that person would then get 12.5 cents, and so on down the line. So everybody gets paid. So that's really helpful because you get money for just posting your shit. That's wonderful. And all your friends can get money. So you can sign up all your friends that are in your team and they get money. It's that easy. You don't even have to beg people for money or anything. So I don't understand why a lot of people, like I said, maybe it's people don't know about it, but think about it. If you get your network of people that you invited big enough, you can be just ranking in the dough, basically. So I'm gonna leave a link to my Sue account as well down in the description below. And if you join through my Zoo, you get a part of the money I get from Zoo as well. So we're all getting paid, and I don't mind helping y'all out one bit. So please click on that and join Zoo as well. Donate to my Patreon. Give me $1. Hook a brother up. I'm trying to do these videos and make some more artwork for you and just give you more exclusive content. I plan on making cartoons, and big hate videos are coming. I just gotta finish writing the scripts that I need for those. And yes, it's gonna be a blast. It's gonna be a wonderful year. So I know I've gone on forever, but I'm gonna go now. So everybody, stay golden. And this is Frae, and I'll talk to you later. See ya.